I put my mug. Oh my, what a mess we made yesterday.
Ah, good morning, Sue.
Good morning, Sammy.
Hi, Snowy. Hi, Hamie. Hi, Ashy. You seem a bit upset, Sue.
Me? I'm not upset. More like puzzled. Look at all the mess we left yesterday.
Oh, yes, I did notice it at first. We had so much fun yesterday.
I wonder who's going to clean all this mess. I cleaned yesterday.
I'd be done in no time, but I promised the hamsters I'd spend time with them.
Oh, really?
Tell her, Ashy.
Ashy, looks like you really miss Sam's company. You know, I've got an idea. Our hamster friends can help us decide who's going to clean the room.
Really? How's that gonna work?
Well, we've already made a hamster labyrinth, remember?
Of course I do. Do you remember, guys? Give a thumbs up if you saw the videos where we made a hamster labyrinth. I think it'll be fun, but how will a labyrinth help us understand who's going to clean the mess?
We'll make an obstacle race for hamsters. You'll choose a hamster, and I'll choose a hamster. If yours wins, I'll clean the room. If mine wins, you clean.
Wow, that sounds awesome! And if the third one wins?
We'll clean together. What do you say?
I say let's get to work, ma'am!
Hi, everyone. So we've decided to hold a hamster race in a labyrinth with obstacles. The winning hamster will define who's going to clean the room.
Hi, everyone!
We need a large piece of cardboard, because this time there will be 3 hamsters competing. These are our 3 racetracks. By the way, what's the name of the sporting grounds for running? Do you know, Sam?
A sports stadium?
What are you so busy with, Sammy?
Nothing special, but if you urgently need the help of the great cardboard master, call me!
All right, Sammy. I'm managing so far. Huh, weird. Usually Sammy is nearby when we make crafts for our pets. What's going on?
Who should I support? Maybe you, Ashy? Or you, Snowy? Oh no, I didn't mean to offend you, Hamie.
Right, this wall is ready. I'll glue it to the base. Done. Sammy, I'm starting on the obstacles. You'll miss the most interesting part. And the first obstacle is a slide. You love slides.
I'm here.
Oh, Sammy, I'm glad to see you. Where have you been?
I was trying to decide who to support in the hamster race.
Did you reach a decision?
It was very hard, but yes, I did. Listen, what are you making?
Another obstacle for our furry athletes.
Oh, it looks like a cool revolving door!
That's what it is. Look. We need 3 of each piece. That's better.
Hey, are you attaching the obstacles already?
That's right.
I want to do it too! Ha! We need to do the same with 2 other tracks.
What do you say, Sammy? I think it's coming out great.
You know something, Susie? I think it lacks labyrinthness.
Labyrinthness, you say?
Yes. There are obstacles, but not enough of the labyrinth itself.
Oh, I think I know what you mean. We'll add walls to make a labyrinth.
This is awesome!
Hey, Sammy, while I'm busy, perhaps you'll tell me who you're going to support?
Oh, yes. Sue, it wasn't easy to decide. All the hamsters are my friends, but I had to make the choice.
Get to the point, Sam.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm ready to announce the hamster worthy of my support. Ta-da!
Whoa, Sammy, that's unexpected. Why Hamie?
I didn't choose her. I couldn't choose. I care about all the hamsters.
So what did you do?
I used a rhyme.
I understand. Our viewers probably think that we could have used a rhyme to decide who cleans the room.
We could. I didn't think about that.
But on the other hand, holding a hamster race is much more fun.
I totally agree, Sue.
We only need to make the last obstacle for our athletes. It's a ladder, and we'll need some wooden sticks to make it. Sammy, do you know where we can get some wooden sticks?
Huh? What? Sticks? I've got a few. Here are all the sticks.
Oh, thanks, Sammy.
Sue, what other animals take part in races?
I need to think. Well, the first thing that comes to mind are horse races, popular in England.
I've heard about horses. There's nothing unusual in that. Horses like running.
I see I can't surprise you with horse races. Ooh, the first ladder is done. We need 2 more.
Yes! There are also dog races.
Oh, that's right.
And the fastest dog breed in the world is the Greyhound.
Wow, Sam. You know a lot of things.
You also know that I love animals.
Yes. So the last obstacle is ready. Will you help me set the ladders in the labyrinth?
Of course! I'm as fast as a Greyhound!
But not faster than our hamster athletes.
You mean not faster than Hamie?
Well, we'll see about that. Look how pretty it came out.
Yeah! It won't be easy to pass this labyrinth.
Okay, I think it's time to hide our labyrinth behind the walls. Otherwise, the hamsters will get out. There are only some finishing touches left. Who's with me?
I'm with you!
Actually, Sam, I think I've come up with something that may surprise you. Have you heard of ostrich races?
Ostrich! How is that possible?
It's a competition for ostriches and those riders who manage to climb on the backs of those birds.
Isn't it difficult to get onto an ostrich's back?
It may not be that difficult to climb onto an ostrich's back, but few of the riders manage to get to the finish line.
I thought so.
Right, we need some plastic. It's a good thing I've got a few pieces left.
I can see you. What's that for?
To be able to see how our hamsters are getting ready for the race. Sammy, why are you idling around?
Who's idling? Me idling? Just say a word and I'll do anything. I'm always ready.
I think we need to add a sign to each hamster entrance.
So you mean it's time to be creative, right?
You got it. I'll be right back.
Just a bit more. I'm a real born artist.
So what do we have there? Let's take a look all together.
Who's here? Oh, it's you. You scared me.
Sammy, your sign for Hamie looks much prettier than the signs for Snowy and Ashy. Not fair.
I've got it. I'll fix it right up. Wait, Sue, our viewers and me still don't know who you're going to support.
You're right, Sammy. It wasn't easy to decide, but I'm going to support Snowy.
How do you know?
I used to rhyme. I think everything's ready, and we can start.
This looks really awesome!
So is it time to let our athletes in and start the race?
Just a moment. Here I am. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the one and only hamster race! Our runners today are Snowy, Ashy, and the great Hamie.
Sammy,
Fine.
let me remind you that if Hamie wins, I'll clean the room. If Snowy wins, Sam will clean. In you go.
And if Ashy wins, we'll clean together.
Mm-hmm.
Ready? Steady? Go! Oh, I'm so excited!
Hey, Snowy, what's going on there? Ashy, not you too! Ashy, are you all right? I think one of the participants is playing against the rules. Let's try again. And here they go. Everyone starts differently.
Hamie!
I'm sorry, Sam, but I think Ashy's leading, not Hamie. Look how she's passing through the labyrinth.
Hamie's doing good too. She just got a bit confused by the revolving door.
And how's our naughty Snowy doing? Oh, she's not doing that bad. Right?
I think she likes the revolving door more.
Ashy loves it too. Go, Snowy, go! You can do it! No, not back. Oh, no.
Oh, and Ashy's pushing forward. She passes the labyrinth slowly, with curiosity. Oh no! Hamie's fallen behind!
And here's our little winner! Well done, Ashy.
And Hamie's after the second place. Come on, you can do it. She overcomes the ladder. And finish! Ah, good girl, Hamie.
What about Snowy? She wants to get to the exit too. And she reaches the ladder. Finally.
Snowy reaches the finish!
Come on out, little one. Oh, where are you going, Snowy? I think she liked the labyrinth so much that she decided to stay there. What a cutie. Well done, Ashy. You deserve a treat.
Somehow I was sure that Ashy would win.
You seem upset.
Nonsense! Even if Hamie had won, I'd have helped you clean the room.
That's because you're a great friend, Sammy.
Aw.
What do you think of our athletes, guys? I think they did a good job, and we've got our job ahead of us.
Give a thumbs up if you want to hold a hamster race too.
And write in the comments what other animal races you've heard of. Bye-bye!